Hatta. Hatta. What them a go do ya now? Newlink and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. Newlink. Hatta.
Yeah, I want to go on here, so. I want to go on here, so.
Yo, easy yourself, man. Easy yourself, man. I'm here, man. Yo,
Blood clot, this is money on here, no fight. I'm saying this to blood clot. Watch America that shouting close them. Blood clot. Bishop. Blood clot, America that shouting man close them, all this.
Yo, patient, no one know you. Mercy, come out of here, that's a business, no Mercy. Mercy, come out of here, that's a business, no Mercy.
Blood clot, I sign this to blood clot. America that shouting man close them. Bishop, easy man, no bother.
Mercy, come out of here, that's a business, Mercy.
Blood clot. Oh, but you are dead to blood clot. I sign this to pussy clot. This we have video long, you know, man. Blood clot. Miracle, let's have boy for a donkey. Blood clot. What are you going to do? What is this? When the man grab the jars, blood clot. The man chop out the jars. I sign this. The man chop out the jars to bumbo clot. I sign this to pussy clot.
Jado, people, yo. The fun part is the last part. You understand? All along it was a serious part but the last part was really fun, to be honest, because I don't know where that the panty did to him, you know. Why am I to turn out upon the panty? I don't know where the panty did to him, but the greatest thing about it is, you better him chop the panty more than go chop the woman. Well, people, what am I going to say now still? Zine, and I'm going to be truthful and real, realistic. Basically, that brother there live at the house there, so where the mother there, and a female house, because his mother-in-law showed him close them out the door, which she wrong. Next thing, him wrong, him should hitch up a mother-in-law house with the woman. You get me I say? Wrong there, so. But in no circumstances or no way, a mother-in-law should step in there between daughter and son, daughter and son-in-law. In a them case, they are not that short close and I say this and that. You understand? If she see the daughter do need assistance in certain circumstances where she have 15 years and you know what I mean, get the police or anything involved, but not for you take the man close and a dash out a door, that's totally disrespectful in front of people. Look at it in the people. This man with a machine and she has something in her hand too. And me I tell you, the man is hungry. In the end, maybe if them youth they never dare in people, that man will attack her with that machete, and you know next thing we hear something else is a different news. This video we have to share, it'll be a different news. You understand? So all me I say is people, sometimes the mother-in-law them need to bill. You know what I mean? You can't talk to no daughter, but in the end of the day, remember so when you did it with phone man trying to go through phone no problem, you know. You understand? When you fight in a way, trying to take the bruises and take everything when I get. You know what I mean? I no guarantee no man feel lick, no woman fight, no woman beat, no woman treat, no woman bad. But still, it's up to the woman if she want to sit in there or if she want left. Not the mother-in-law decision. The mother-in-law can give the mother can give her advice on the people. The mother can give the daughter advice and say, listen, you know, say this and that. But in the day, you can't fix that. So there's no way should not dash out the man close. And if this man have sense, he leave. You know, you know if you go back in there, so. But then like dash out the clothes and you know what I mean? So all I'm saying is the greatest foolish thing is people, it never chop her up and a panty chop. But in a day, boss, where the jazz do to you? That's all the whole link can say. Where jazz dear us? Channel star. Viewers and subscribers, you don't know this is Newlink from Newlink Production. Comment here with another one, people. You don't know, say, please subscribe and hit that notification bell icon so when Newlink drop a video, you will get them. And please remember to follow Newlink on IG, Newlink_production, Newlink on Facebook, Newlink production. They don't know the thing, the people. How we say attack, straight attack people. Now go on the thing.
What them a go do ya know? Newlink and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. Newlink. Attack.